Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we will be discussing about the new WordPress 6.5. WordPress 6.5 introduces the Interactivity API for adding interactive functionality directly within block markup. The Interactive API entails adding directives to block markup and creating a logic store, enabling efficient creation of interactive experiences. Enhanced block hooks. Block hooks in WordPress 6.5 are enhanced for better extensibility, allowing dynamic blocks to be inserted into specific locations. New features include support for modified layouts and integration with the navigation block. Granular control with filters. New filters offer detailed control over hook blocks, enabling developers to adjust attributes, modify inner blocks, or suppress hook blocks entirely. Improved block inspector. The block inspector sidebar in the site editor is updated for improved usability with toggles for hook blocks for persisting correctly. Performance enhancements. WordPress 6.5 brings significant performance and enhancements including faster site editor navigation, typing response, and editor load times. Updated version requirements. Version requirements for MySQL, PHP Code Sniffer, PHP Mailer, and the date WordPress/scripts are updated in WordPress 6.5. Streamlined plugin dependencies. Plugin dependencies are streamlined, allowing authors to specify necessary plugins dependencies for clarity and user experience improvement. Development updates. WordPress 6.5 introduces update for script management, block control, and theme configuration, enhancing development workflows and flexibility. Future directions. Future directions and postponed features are outlined for WordPress development beyond version 6.5. Importance of engagement. Engaging with WordPress 6.5 and providing feedback is crucial for shaping the platform's future.